Hey guys, in this part we talk about Favicon in HTML. A favicon is a small image displayed next to the page title in the browser tab. How to add a favicon in HTML? A favicon is a small image, so it should be a simple image with a high contrast. A favicon image is displayed to the left of the page title in the browser tab. To add a favicon to your website, either save your favicon image to the root directory of your web server or create a folder in the root directory called images and save your favicon image in this folder. A common name for a favicon image is a favicon.ico. Next, add a link element to your index.html file after the title element. So create a link tag and rel is icon and the type is image and slash icon and the href is dot images folder and my favicon. And now save the index.html file and reload it in your browser. Your browser tab should now display your favicon image to the left of the page title. So Ctrl S and reload the page. My favicon in here.